In this video, we're going to be working on my mobile repair van. It's a 2008 GMC Savana 2500, and I'm going to be replacing the belt. I have not looked at the instructions yet on how to do the job, but with what I see, I'll take the intake off. The belt is right there. One of the pulleys is right there, and I'm also doing the tensioner, which is on the other side here. So that's the tensioner. So this is what I think we need. This should be all that we need. Got a wrench set, sockets, and ratchets, and a pick, because to get these connectors, locking tabs on these connectors. All right, so that came off. And there's a tab that we're gonna press. I'll put you guys down for a little bit. There's at the bottom of this connector, there's a tab. We're gonna push it up, or push against it, and pull the connector, and it should work. After that, to take this intake box off, there's two 10mm bolts, and I'm gonna take that bolt off from there, from this clamp, and that should allow us to take the whole thing out as one unit, and it should give us a lot of room there. We got the 10mm bolts. Take them and put them to the side, like that. Then that inside one, usually they're either a 7mm or an 8mm. So the 8mm worked. Let's see if that gives us enough slack to be able to take it off. Just wiggle a little bit. I believe we should loosen it a little bit more. I know you guys can't see this very well. I apologize for that. That thing is loose, so it should come out. And we have so on the side here, I just saw this. On the side of the intake, there's a line. Should pop off. Yep, comes off easy. And that should be it. The rest should just come out. Who knows when the last time this thing was taken off was. Alright, that's the whole intake box. This is our throttle body. We'll take a look at the condition of it. Looks pretty good, the throttle body. Some carbon buildup. I mean, you know, it's not horrible. Okay, it's a 15 mil. That tensioner looks worn. So I was able to push this. Hopefully I can get this without taking anything else off. I have to get up there. I'll get you guys a better picture of this. So we took it off from there. And that is it. So the reason I'm replacing this is because this thing was squeaking. And I'm not sure if you can see that, but I can. And it's very rotted out. Should be the original one, this. And I have to find out what amperage my alternator is, because these have two different belts. So I grabbed both from them. That's another job I'm going to be doing today. I'm also going to be doing the rear shocks on this, but it's going to be in another video because I'm still waiting for one of them. This right here is, yeah, which one is which? Which one is 105 amps for the alternator. The other one is 145. But yeah, I don't know which one is which. All right, well, we're gonna find out, I guess. I don't know. What I do see though, this one comes with a new bolt, the other one does not. So maybe that makes a little bit of a difference. I doubt it though. Oh, you know what? That's a 6 liter. This one's a 4.8. I think this is what I need. And yeah, this should be what I need because I have a 4.8 liter. See though, I cannot tell. So it's hard to tell because the old one is stretched out so much. It looks like it can go over this. So I don't know. It's a little bit hard to tell. I measured the belt, the 4.8 liter belt is a lot shorter. That's the 105 amp alternator belt. This one looks a lot more to size, and this one is the 145 amp alternator. I try to look around the alternator. If you guys have any idea, you know, where to look next time, I don't see it. I can't really see behind there. I try to take a picture, but I don't see anything. So I'm going to try this and see how it fits and go from there. I'll take this idler pulley off. There's one bolt in the middle. Looks to be maybe a 13 millimeter. Let's see. Yeah, it's a 15 millimeter. I'm gonna grab my ratchet. I'll put you guys right here. I know you can't see anything. You can see my hand moving, but that's about it. So that's what I was hearing. This was part of the whining. I was hearing this whining very loudly on some mornings. Some mornings it was louder than others. Right here I'm comparing them for size. They're the same size. So I'm going to use the 6 liter one. I'll compare it to the 4 liter also. The 4 liter size wise is the same, but it does not come with the 4.8 liter belt, excuse me, does not come with this bolt. So I'm going to try this first. Make sure you torque them to Guten tight. And that's what I'm tightening up right there. Okay, I'll put you guys down here very quick. So I have to move this thing around. All right, that's tight. Now we gotta replace the tensioner. I don't like how this tensioner pulley is plastic on this. I don't like plastic stuff. I've had them break. Mercedes uses plastic shit. I don't like it, but what are we gonna do? We gotta replace what we have. Okay, that's one of our bolts. Got the long neck 1/4 inch to start. I don't know if this will fit properly here. All right, there we go. This is all 3 of them. And you can hear, let me take these bolts off, but you can hear this thing does not sound great. That's where the tensioner sits. You can see the 2 bolts over there at the bottom. There's another one hidden right back there. So keep in mind, one of them is a little bit shorter. The shorter one goes to the skinnier tab up here, and then there's 2 fat tabs. Those have the longer bolts. So you can't really mess this up. I have them all started by hand. Make sure this bottom one is on there. So they're all started by hand. I'm going to put the electric ratchet on there now to tighten them all the way in. I was fighting this belt on, although it says 6 liter on the diagram here. But we're on. I'm about to install the intake box. And then I'm going to start it, and hopefully we don't have any more squeaky. But that belt was a pain in the ass. Whew, man, at first I thought I had the wrong belt, but I was comparing them. The one I was putting on is, you know, seemed about the same size as the one I took off, and the other one was shorter. The 105 amp belt was a lot shorter, so I had to fight with it, but we got it on eventually. So let's put this on here now. This thing properly tired me up, man. Oh, it was supposed to be easy. I have another job to go to. This was supposed to be the easy one. Ah. Alright, I got this 8mm that I'm going to use to tighten up this clamp in the back. I'm putting a little bit, only with my tips, I'm putting pressure. That's good. That's tight there. I need a 10mm now. Got the 10mm here. At the front. Alright, moment of truth. I'm about to put you guys right here. Hopefully no more squeaking. I forgot the connector. Ah. We did it. That's smooth. Sounds smooth, at least. I still have to do that AC compressor one. I'll do those at another time. But for right now, we're looking good. Alright guys, that's it for this video. This was more of a hangout type of video. Nothing, you know, to show you how to do it or anything like that. It's more of a hangout video. If you did make it to the end, consider leaving a like. If you liked the video, if you did not like the video, leave a dislike and let me know down in the comments below why, so I can try and improve. And if you do like this type of content, consider subscribing. It means a lot to me, and I'll be making more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.